Hey there, I'm going to show you how to make some serious bank with a simple option strategy. It's easy peasy to understand and it's cute. So let's dive in. I got to say Web3 has been a game changer for me. I've been traveled to some amazing countries and work from wherever I want, all thanks to this strategy. But enough about me, let's get back to option trees. Here's my current position, and today I'll be sharing a safe strategy with you that will help you to earn more without taking on too much risk. First thing first, you got to protect your principal when trading options. That's why this strategy is so safe. As long as the price doesn't hit in your pinpoint or exceed your upper limit, you are golden. You can set your own pinpoint and keep the range narrow to minimize the risk. Let's take a call strategy as an example. You with this strategy, you buy one unit call at a price a little bit far from the current price. For example, today we buy a call option at 29,000, and then we sell a call at the same date, but little bit closer to the current price. So the gap between the two price is your pinpoint price. As long as the price doesn't go above your limit, you will make sweet profits. Just close the option before they expire, and you are good to go. Is to safeguard your profit. So with this tool, Signal Plus, it's very easy for you to understand the possible profit and the loss. You can execute the put strategy in the same way but in reverse. If the price doesn't drop below your lower limit, you will still make a decent return. And by using the spread strategy, you can earn the gap between the option premiums without worrying about slippage from trading illiquid options. Here's a tip to really boost your profits and lower your risk. Aim for 1-to-5 ratio of premium gap to price gap. For example, if the gap between the price is 500, between 26,500 and 26,000, the premium gap should be 100. That's 20% of 500. If you want to try some strategy, you can sign in this platform, Signal Plus, by my link below. It's 100% free, even for a lot of advanced features that normally you have to pay for. That's all for this spread strategy. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe me for more trading tips. See you next time.